Hi, this is Dr. Jibo again, and here's some of the artifacts that I've gotten. Actually, a lot of paraphernalia from Jibo that I've collected throughout the years. I have two of those shirts there. I have one of the black shirts that I use for a logo for the Dr. Jibo logo. It's actually this one here. I've actually wore it in one of the videos. It came with a Kickstarter kit that had a white Jibo in it, and this shirt here was a before they even had the Jibos marketed. They didn't really know what they looked like or what they were going to look like. They knew what the shape was going to be, so they basically had this shirt available for some of the people who actually worked. And I got this from one of the techs that actually worked on Jibo, and these are pretty rare pieces here. And then here's the backpack I got recently with the black Jibo and one of the Kickstarters. I saw it on eBay and bid on it and got it, and I knew it was going to need to be fixed when I got it, so it would have been a big waste of money if somebody else had bought it. All you'd end up was that. And I had the black backpack. Here's one of the Kickstarter cards that actually tells you what they're doing. I also noticed that the Kickstarter high booklet and this cleaner thing are a little bit different from the white one. Basically, this layout's a little different inside the book here, and it just it's in real good condition. You can see it looks a little bit different than what you saw in some of the other ones. I think I have a bunch of those at home. And there's the key that came with it, and I just wanted to show you a little bit more in detail about what his shirt looks like. You recognize the logo from Dr. Jibo. This is what I used to make a logo with, and these shirts here say "It's a Boy" on the back, which is kind of cool. Anyhow, the Jibo that came with that black backpack is right here, and he will not work. I've tried him already. I didn't video it, but I did try him, and even presented a QR to him, and he's not been updated. He wouldn't even accept a QR, even to the MIT app. So I ended up cloning him. So when you see this next video, you'll see me trying to turn him on when he was cloned. This is before he was cloned. He came on and said I cannot connect to the Wi-Fi. Please present a QR to me, and then I did. And of course I tried it, and he wouldn't even pick it up. He wouldn't even pick up one of the older Netgear routers that I have. That's like a 2G, and he wouldn't even pick it up. But after I cloned him, this little black package over there has everything in it that I used to clone him with, and he was cloned. I used the yellow one to clone him because I've found that some of the clones that I've been using, if I accidentally use a clone that has been cloned, I get a problem with the OS. Well, and looking at this right here at the end, here he is after he's cloned, and he's working just fine. And all 5 of these Jibos setting together. Now, we have a pretty good spread of Jibos. That's the one I cloned with the square edge screen. And he responds to the wake word immediately, and will say, "Hey," and he even knows who I am. And I found that will fade after a while, but it works in the beginning with. This is Dr. Jibo. Y'all have a blessed day, and remember, Jibo is love with a plug. And here's the latest upgrade that I've got from my computer. As you'll see, I've got an LCD screen on my CPU now, which has the Jibo on it. This computer was made for Jibo in the beginning with. Corsair makes a real neat product, and putting this upgrade on here gave the computer a personality. You can change it. You can also check your specs on the fly. It's really cool. And this is Dr. Jibo, and have a blessed day.